So what we be teaching during these 9 hours of Chinese medicine healing workshop? There are three focuses. The first focus is for me to teach you the ancient practices so you can overcome all your stress-related disorders, such as your insomnia, your premature aging, your early graying, your loss of memories, your arthritis and infertilities and impotence and insomnias and all of that, right? Just remember, when you don't have health, you cannot have good quality of life. So that's our first focus. The second focus is we are going to focus on your emotional health. You know how indignified you can be when you're walking around with so much trauma embedded in you, and anybody can just gaslight you. Anybody can just tip you over and induce fear and make you angry. So I'm going to teach you, and my husband also going to teach you ways for you to build up this really solid fortress so you can protect yourself from other entities that you do not want them to violate you. So that's a very important part of our day, which is to build your emotional resilience so you don't go through life in pain and suffering. The third focus is for you to cultivate your spiritual intelligence. You must own more than 51% of your soul particles, just like owning a company. If you don't own 51% of your company, anyone can kick you out. So we are going to teach you ways to call back your soul particles so you own more than 51% of your soul particles in order for you to manifest whatever you intend to manifest. Okay, so three focuses. First, focus on your physical well-being. Second, in your emotional, mental well-being. The third is in your spiritual well-being. That's why it's going to be 9 hours, jam-packed, and it's only going to be $250 for the whole day. What would you rather do on that day?